This is a video on damask and paisley too, and the tagline is modern classical curtains. It literally means that they're classical curtains, but yet have been given a modern touch for contemporary homes. And the mill actually made us set all this to give it that traditional home look, and they made a nice swing with cushions and throw kind of thing. And another very really nice photograph is this almirah kind of thing arranged with cushions. So whenever you do a fair in your city, you can use this idea. And again, we've started with colors this time instead of white. This is a beautiful damask with velvet cuts, and it's like an embroidery on a glass here. Blue damask kind of a design with a little metallic touch as well. I wonder if the camera is capturing the metallic touch. Now this is a small typical Jaipuri motif with the colors are going really nicely. The greens, the blues, beige, darker beige or brown. Again on a glass shear. Now this is a little unique. This is a jacquard shear on a voile. I don't think many customers, any supplier has this kind of a system. Voile shear, it's a damask shear, very very clearly visible on a voile. And there's an intricate scroll which goes with a typical book like this. And this book we made after the super success of Damask and Paisley 1. And there's a nice OG. We've used a different base shear, and this also has a lot of detailing. And the color is also very, very nice. Again, the insert where the same set has been used. We use our own carpets that we distribute, the Decor carpets that we distribute. They put damask design here and a scroll here and some cushions, and the table is also like slightly intricate and trying to get that look. And this is the insert back cover, close-ups of the images that you saw earlier. And this is a duck egg kind of a color with damask, and it has a lot of detailing inside here as well. And a nice beautiful scroll in the slightly darker duck egg color. And there's a different construction with a little puffed up kind of thing. And there's a nice texture on the empty spaces. Now this is also a nice paisley with a little zari and off-white and a duck egg color. It goes beautifully on a embroidery on a glass shear. This is a classical design, play on damask kind of thing, but more on floral grounds, and it does have a little metallic touch in the whole thing. Now this is made on a linen kind of a fabric, semi-sheer you could say, and it's got really nice color combos, very pastel colors embroidery. Now this is a distressed scroll, so there's a lot of metallic sections, and then there's these blackish distressed sections, similar to the one we showed you earlier. Slightly darker blue compared to the first one, and the same velvet cuts. Now this is a very interesting design. You can use them as wall paneling as well. You see that these elephants carrying these howdahs, where probably the king can sit or whatever. We put it in the Damask and Paisley book because it's also a classical design kind of thing. Now these are all stylized damasks, a lot of detailing into them, and really beautiful color combos, again on glass shears. So the background will hardly be visible, only the embroidery will be visible. A slightly darker tone to what I'd shown you earlier. This too is a slightly darker tone. This is a very interesting fabric. On a linen kind of, cotton linen kind of fabric, there's cord stitched in the style of a damask pattern. You use a bold yellow or mustard kind of a color in a very detailed damask kind of a design. Again, a bold mustard kind of a color to what I've shown you earlier. This is also very interesting. It's on a glass shear. It's got these floral motifs with mustard and a bluish and a grey and an off-white kind of a color, beige kind of a color. Again on a glass shear. It looks really nice. Distressed scroll on in a mustard color. I don't think any books in the industry would probably have this color. Something really different. And this too is a very different kind of green, detailed scroll, distressed. You used a very basic, very nice Jaipuri pink or a baby pink kind of a design with these flower. I'd shown you the flower earlier. This is another new small damask kind of pattern with a little metallic touch in the gaps, in the puffy damask in the light peachish pink shade. And this is really detailed. This kind of looks like embroidery. It's obviously just jacquard. That's why it's more reasonable, and all this detailing between the damasks. And the same thing, using a slight pink thread as the embroidery, and a cord embroidery on a linen kind of a fabric. This is a different kind of a damask, not the one we had shown you earlier. This here too, the color is very pastel, very soft, a little metallic touch, and this kind of looks like embroidery. This gives you the depth, and this gives you the 3D version. A pink and black combo of a damaski floral. The OG design that I showed you earlier in green, now in a light pink, peachish pink with this different base sheer. The sheer is reasonably transparent, I would say 50% transparency. Another different kind of a pink on the other kind of damask, and then the scroll design that we showed earlier in another color. This color combo is also very new. We've used a pinkish, dark pink kind of a color with dark mustard and these sage greens and a lot of detailing, and it looks beautiful, and a very, very new color combo. And this is rust and black in the design that we showed you earlier. A lot of rust in this design. It's got this bleeding effect with these zari spots, and the color bleed effect is there in this design, which is unique. It's also there in our painting 3 book, I think, the color bleed effect in digital print. This is in jacquard. And here you see a nice damask. The first one we showed you in a bluish green. This also has a little metallic touch. So if you have warm interiors with where this color will go, this will look really nice. And the empty spaces too have this little bit of texture. In a darker reddish color for the same thing that I had shown you earlier. And this is a dark, not a red, maroon, pink, magenta kind of a color, distressed scroll. And this sheer is really interesting. There is a base sheer on that we have done an embroidery, and then we have done foil. And so it's very difficult to understand where there's embroidery and where there's foil. And it's a really good effect of some multiple techniques. You can see more of these in the watercolors line collection. Again, the dark pink or the slightly maroonish kind of a scroll. Maroon, and these kind of warm colors do very well in classical designs. And a little strange color combo in the sense of it's dark beige with a dark blue and a maroon. A different color combo, but yet looks very nice. Here we've done digital print on a jacquard. The jacquard you can see from here. It's a medallion kind of a jacquard. On that we have done a medallion kind of a print. So it mixes and merges really beautifully on a bigger fabric. It looks really nice. You can use them as paneling as well. And this damask with a lot of the polyester thread itself is a little metallic look. It's not really lurex or zari. And the small distressed small damaski kind of patterns. Now these are the most safer colors are typical that we use, a darker beige, shades of brown and creams, more easy to use in typical settings. And a coffee brown damask in the pattern that I showed you earlier, a lovely, very subtle metallic effect. And this is a nice, on a ribbed kind of sheer, there's an OG design with leaves and very, very easy to use, very nice. Again, the color bleed effect in a coffee shade of a nice damask pattern. Then we've used the scroll in a copper foil on a beige sheer, and it goes beautifully with the coffee brown section. Again, the blackish brown, coffee brown kind of a thing in the smaller damask. This is another very nice design. This design is also there in the blinds book in another color, where we can give you roller blinds and other blinds. So this is a OG, and there's a lot of metallic look, and then there's distressed black color as well. So you can combine this with the blinds book as well. That's why I say most of the books are pretty interconnected that way. This is a nice jacquard sheer with a very traditional. You can see this paisley. I wonder if you can see that. It's a nice paisley and it's a traditional jacquard on a traditional design jacquard on a sheer, which is uncommon in the industry. And this is the scroll in a coffee color blackish that I showed you earlier on this shade. This is a very interesting fabric. It's a jacquard that you can see here, and then there's a print on it. So these big paisleys are the print, and the small things that you can see are all there's this jacquard which is coming up, which is also a detailed damask kind of pattern. Those two combine very nicely, and they look really nice. And it's got a patchwork kind of an effect. Again, the OG in coffee brown on a coffee brown and beige. OG kind of design in a linen sheer, horizontal ribs, and the elephant pattern in a nice simple coffee brown. And yet the whole fabric is not very rugged. Lots of spots of beige can be used very easily. And even more safer colors, a very nice fawn kind of a color with a lot of off-white and cream. Looks beautiful. All the detailing, the embroidery look here. And this is an OG design again on the similar sheer, and it's got these little metallic threads as well. Again, the elephant design in a lighter beige with a more prominent white. Very very beautiful. And this is a little slightly darker fawn kind of a color. Looks very nice with a nice embroidery effect and the detailing. Now this is it's called borer cut, and this OG design. And so this is borer cut. Sometimes you see them on handkerchiefs and all. So this is laser cut kind of thing, and then there's embroidery here. Looks beautiful. And if there's sunlight outside, then this pattern will probably form on your bed or your floor or whatever. Really interesting design. The distressed scroll in a beige color or a fawn kind of a color. Again, a medallion kind of a design, jacquard on a voile. This is pretty difficult to achieve. I think only DDIC was able to do this right now. And the color bleed effect in the damask pattern and all these metallic touches. This is also an interesting design. It's got the classical look. The thread itself has metallic touches, and again it's in a glass sheer. So we're trying to get you a lot of classical, modern classical, contemporary classical designs in different kinds of techniques in the same book. And there's another one, fawn color, and then you can see a darker one. This got a depth, and this looks metallic, and this is like an embroidery in a 3D effect. The elephant design in a more mustardish kind of a color with a lot of distress and looks hazy, nice. The puffed damask in a fawn color. This too is a very interesting design. It's got these large paisleys with metallic thread kind of an embroidery and these horizontal ribs. Very classy, very classical, yet very contemporary. The scroll design, it's got this rib texture as well inside the design and not on the background. Now this is a beautiful jacquard design on a sheer, on a net kind of sheer, and I wonder whether camera can capture that. It's got a beautiful jacquard, damask pattern jacquard. Now the paisley kind of a design which I showed you earlier, now in creams and beiges and browns, more easier to use. The design I showed you earlier with little metallic, detailed floral in a damask kind of pattern. The color bleed effect in a slightly lighter beige. The design here looks is exactly the same design, but looks more intricate because it's got these 3 or 4 color combos, and the thread has got slight metallic touches as well. A beige scroll, a different kind of scroll on a. This has got this metallic look, and here we have a foil, a champagne color foil on a sheer. And it's a lovely scroll with a slightly larger repeat and beautiful slab effects in the sheer here. The next design is also very interesting. It's on a beige color voile, and the design is also very intricate and nice. It's a damask, but it's a flower, and whatever. The design is very, very pretty. And the beige color in the design we showed you, similar design showed you earlier. A more mustardish kind of damask. A scroll with a metallic touch and more mustard beige. The same design in a slightly darker color. We've divided the whole book in color sections so that you can easily coordinate the fabric, the puffy look, damask, the color bleed effect, and the metallic look. A lovely 3D feel as well for this design. More mustard, a darker color than what we showed you earlier. And now the whites. Some people love white, their whole house is white, they wear white dresses. In fact, one of the ways to understand what a customer will buy is to first look at their dress. If the lady's dress in pure white, chances are really high she will buy a white curtain. A Bora cut OG, beautiful. Now something like this is available in the Blinds Solitude book, in which you can get roller blinds get made by the mill. So it's a nice big OG with metallic effects and this broken lines as well. Put them into sections. You could get roller blinds, you can get Roman blinds, you could get cladded blinds on wood. The design is put on the wood. And there was one more blind, I think it was, what was that? Four or five kind of blinds from our blind book, Solitude. Distress scroll. The distress is not so evident, but it's a very nice, you can see it and not see it from some angles, and a little metallic effect as well. The puffed off-white damask with a nice textured background. More in off-whites. The damask we showed you earlier with a depth and a 3D effect. This too is a sheer with a nice damask jacquard in off-white. The design we showed you earlier in an off-white with this metallic look and the 3D effect as well. Again, one more jacquard design on a sheer. This has got more paisleys and little damask look as well. The sheer we showed you earlier in off-white, white, a little metallic touch on a glass sheer. Again, a really beautiful color combo with cream, beige, fawn, and a detailed floral damaski pattern. More on the fawn side, a slightly darker fawn. Here you can see the difference, and you can also see the metallic effect more nicely here. And it's fawn, darker fawn, and a silver kind of a color. This is also silver and fawn with black outlines. Distress small damask with all this metallic effect in between. This also is a really classy, very subtle, dark fawn kind of a color for a nice damask. More blackish towards the end of the book with silver and black combos. The elephant design and a charcoal kind of a color. And a very simple damask, a lot of detailing and a lot of distress effect as well. And the fabric is a voile. The distress scroll in a black and silver combo. Black and silver for this damask. It has metallic touch here. And very nice clean outlines of the damask. The scroll in a charcoal kind of a color with a metallic look inside. That's why it's got lurex texture. So the lurex is running here. And blackish jacquard, a medallion kind of a jacquard in voile sheer. And the last fabric, here you can see the metallic effect even more nicely. It really does. And there's a black, so it is charcoal black, and this is metallic. And the polyester yarn itself is metallic, there's no lurex. So in this whole book there are 112 fabrics, probably as good as 2 books of most of other suppliers. And all the designs are mentioned here, the quality name, the usage you can use it, the composition, polyester, cotton with embroidery, polyester with embroidery, all that, and the width of the fabric, the pattern repeats, the GSM grams per square meter. If you are sending it abroad, how much it will weigh you if you buy these fabrics. And each and every design is listed. You can see how many designs we've used in a single book. Like so many designs. This list itself goes on to 3 pages. And these are all the qualities and price quotes from A to AL, that's like 26 plus around 10 or something. So around 36 or 37 qualities in the whole book, and the prices vary from around 700 and also go up to 3000. So this 3000 would be embroideries, and the 1000 plus would mostly be embroideries, and the 700, 800s or 900s would be the jacquard designs. Thank you so much for bearing with us and listening to this whole presentation.